Cash and I are going snowshoeing on the property. There's about 18 inches of snow out there in the pasture, so I don't know how much he's going to love it, but it should make for some fun video. Probably going to be some generator noise in the background from mine over here and the neighbors, but there's nothing I can do about that. I guess this is right. I'm not sure which is left and right, but I did it so the buckles will be on the inside, just figuring it's a little easier to get to them here than to try and reach out there and do it. Okay, got the snowshoes on, and here we go. Now the first thing I want to do is knock a little snow off this tree. On some level I don't want to do that because it's probably going to come down on me. I don't know where Cash is. Make him come. Okay, that's better. A little on me. All right, with the snow off the tree, we'll just trek our way on out. Cash, come on, Cash. Come on. Cash is not necessarily thrilled about this. All right, come on, Cash. Hit it out. Let me zip this up a little bit. I'm getting a little cold. I can already grab the zipper. All right, there we go. Up in the snow. Snowing, pretty good little snow falling. Flakes are a little small. And this is where we, right there, is where I feed the birds out here. There's a piece of plywood down in there. And got a piece of plywood on the top, keeping the snow out. A couple of my sawhorses. Here we go, trekking out into the pasture. Come on, Cash. Come on, buddy. I brought my tape measure because I want to get an official snow depth measurement. See what we can do. We are right at 18 inches. That's pretty cool. That's kind of what I was thinking, but I wasn't sure. My glove back on. Cash! Cash! Cash, come! Come on, Cash! Cash! Come! Come on! Come on, buddy! This will make him appreciate being in the house. We're gonna keep going to the back of the pasture. Come on, Cash, man. Let's head on back. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, Cash. Come on. Come on. Hi, little guy. Hey, Cash is already back on the porch. Pretty sure he's had his fun. And he feels like he doesn't really need any more. Cash, ready to go in again? Huh? You ready to go back in the house? Oh boy, woohoo! Go tell Scott how much fun you had. Well, now I want to see if I can get the truck out. Well, it is broken. I'll have to get a new one of those. I've driven my truck back and forth really as far out as I dare. I'm afraid I'm going to wreck something on either side. So now I'm just going to go ahead with a shovel, knock down this little piece in the middle. Now you can see how much smaller the snowplow berm is here across the driveway. Every time the plow came by, I'd dig it out a little at a time. It's not too hard, but if you let it pile up like it is all around there, it's really tough to get rid of. The snow gets hard packed, and it is hard to manage. Well, my truck and the Lexus are both ready to go. I didn't dig out the Camry because I'm not sure it would make it up the slippery driveway anyway. Now the front gate only has a couple inches of clearance underneath it, so I had to keep digging all the way down to the gravel as the snow fell so we could get the gate open. Now that I'm looking at the street here, I'm really glad I dug down that snowplow berm in the driveway bit at a time. That gets really hard packed, and it is hard to dig out when it's that tall. Well, I guess that's enough work for one day. Looks like we're ready for the next storm.